thanks for tuning back in. Today we got a special one for you guys. Oh, you Euro guys, I got something for you guys. So let's get into it. Thanks for watching. Let's do this. All right, guys, here she is. Got the AMG. Looking crazy with the fucking... What color is this?
It's highlighter neon yellow from Hexix.
Okay, so this is the man, the myth, the legend.
Yo, what's up everybody? How you guys doing today? Representing Life of Frankie on YouTube. This is my car. My boy's reviewing it. Let's take a look. It's dirty. Should have wiped it down.
All right, guys, so let's go over the car. He's gonna explain a little bit about it, and go ahead.
All right, so basically this is a 2012 CLS63 AMG, equipped with the M157 motor, which is a 5.5 liter V8 twin turbo. It's hand built. A couple things I have done to the vehicle is basically I have long tube downpipes. Basically, they go from the turbos all the way back, straight pipe.
We'll get a shot of the exhaust right now so you guys can hear it.
Oh yeah, it's ear piercing.
All right, go ahead.
So we have a Race IQ Stage 2 tune on it as well.
And who's it tuned by?
Well, Anthony out of Race IQ.
Okay.
And he's out of Georgia. He tunes all my AMGs. And basically we're putting down around 700 horsepower, about 820 foot-pounds of torque.
Damn.
At the crank though, so dyno will be a little less than that. But she's moving. And then I have the full carbon kit on the car. So I got carbon diffuser, carbon wing, carbon front lip, carbon mirrors, carbon interior.
Cool.
And then obviously I did the wrap. I did the wrap myself.
And for the people thinking about wrapping them cars themselves, is this something that you could do in your garage? Like, how's the process? Is it hard?
In my personal opinion, it all depends on your patience. Realistically, it's going to take a lot of time, so you cannot give up. You're going to be doing it. You're going to mess up. You're going to spend some money. But can you do it? I believe so. I think you can do it. If you really want to, watch YouTube. You got to learn, and it's definitely okay to ask someone for a helping hand, because doing it yourself, man, it is challenging, and you got to be able to have your vehicle down for quite some time.
There you go, guys. All right, well, let's get a shot of the interior.
Oh yeah.
All right, so let's check out the interior. Looks pretty clean in here, and this is all stock?
Other than the extended carbon paddles, it's all stock.
Okay, it could just roll up.
Makes me miss my N54.
All right, what kind of exhaust you said you had on there again? It was pretty loud.
Basically, I have the factory tips to keep the AMG styling, but it's 100% straight pipe from the turbos back.
Jesus.
So yeah, no resonators, no cats, no mufflers, nothing.
Okay.
Turbos back.
Okay, and this is all-wheel drive or
this
wheel-wheel
is a rear-wheel drive?
Woo, wheel-wheel drive, guys. Man, that shit's probably scary.
That's the first time seeing the wrap color, huh?
Yeah, this shit looks fucking hard. Oh my god. It looks so good. Jesus. That's fucking good, dude. Oh my god. It like makes me want to keep looking at it.
Yeah, it looks crazy, huh?
Yeah, it's like it's an eye grabber.
And do you have a hard time putting down the power?
Yeah,
with the tires?
Basically,
just roasting them?
Yeah, we're not doing any type of runs in this car, any load, no. It's 60 and up for me. 60 and up, but this car loves to get sideways.
Yeah.
I'll send him a clip that he could probably insert of this thing getting sideways. This is what it does best. It's just swing. It's a swinger, and it loves to top end.
It's a swinger and a fucking neck breaker. That's crazy. And How is it just driving around town? What kind of reactions do you get?
So before I did the wrap, car people get excited due to the exhaust, and I'd piss a lot of older people off basically. And I'd go to the gas station, and a lot of people ask me, you know, what is it like driving my grandpa's car? And so they kind of got frustrated with all that. So I put my decals on it, and I put some crazy wrap on. Now, because of this, I literally, everywhere I go, I'm getting people thumbs up, recording me, pulling me to the side, asking me questions, wanting to know where I got the wrap done.
Yeah.
And just more interested in the car itself now that the wrap is done. Prior to this, it just looked like a regular old car, you know, until you heard it fly by.
Yeah, hell yeah. Cool. Guys, I'm gonna take you for a little ride in Frankie's car. Let's see what it do. Alright guys, we're in the fucking AMG, just riding around.
It's not too bad for how loud it is.
Dude, in the inside it's fucking nice and quiet.
That's Mercedes for you. It's pretty sound deadening. I mean, like, if I roll the windows up and I turn music on, it's pretty quiet. Like, when I get out of sport mode,
Yeah.
I mean, we can still cruise quietly and have a full conversation without having to yell.
Yeah.
And you know how loud it is from the outside.
Yeah, it's a lot of
So,
yeah, it's hella nice for once. Oh, rainy.
I'm not gonna lie, Andrew's car sounds amazing.
Yeah, it sounds fucking crazy.
You can hear his turbos like crazy.
Yeah, this shit's fucking loud, dude. When he gets on it.
Does that glow in the dark?
No, I wish it did.
We like it. It looks nice.
Thank you, I appreciate it. And that goes to show what I was saying. Everywhere I go, I get compliments now instead of people shaming me and getting mad that it's so loud.
Motherfucker, why is it so loud? Yeah, suspension in this shit feels nice.
It's okay because it's lower. Like before, it was super nice, like a pillow.
Yeah.
Now it's real stiff because I lowered the. I'm on lowering springs in the front and I'm on air ride in the rear.
What?
Yeah. Let's piss these guys off. There we go.
Yeah, dude, this shit has some fucking torque. Yeah, that shit moves, guys.
It's not bad for being a family car.
Yeah, it's fucking take the family and smoke some people too.
It has launch control and everything, but it makes so much torque we don't even get anywhere. It just spins.
Yeah, I can definitely tell the torque on this fucking car, dude. It's crazy.
Here, I'll just floor it from right here from a standstill, and it's just gonna spin. That's why I don't even try racing anybody. They just take off, and I'm just sitting here trying to catch up because I'm spinning.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
That's spinning all 3 gears, and all I did was just press the gas.
Yeah, man, that shit was fucking crazy. You know what? For it, spinning tires still feels pretty safe. Like, it feels planted. Like,
It was designed to do this kind of stuff. It's
Yeah.
an AMG. It was designed to have some fun
there it is, guys. Fucking German engineering.
at its finest. This car, surprisingly, for as big as it is, you can sit there and just go to the track and then come home. It's legit. It's I like that you don't need to get all the way in it to sit there and get around somebody.
Yeah.
Sport traction. I mean, I like it
want to live another day.
No, you're good. I won't push it that hard. I want to go home too. I want to go home too. Trust me. I was just trying to give you a little taste of it, but of course, always when you want to have a little fun, there's someone there.
Yeah.
I gotta turn around up here anyways.
Okay, sounds good.
I don't want to get too far out into the country.
Yeah.
I just wanted you to get a real appreciation of that. You're in a 3,600 pound boat, you know what I mean? That fucking handles like a Miata.
Yeah, this shit fucking takes turns good, man.
Once I get past the gun range right here, I'll flip around. There's a spot.
Cool.
That's probably one of my favorite things about AMG. It's just the engineering. Like, you got luxury, but you really like have a sports car.
Yeah, it's that fucking F1 technology, dude.
I mean, it just hugs this corner, you know, like.
It's that Lewis Hamilton technology.
I wish this guy would go a little faster, but
Yeah,
come on, Pops, you got the SS.
Oh, he does have the SS.
It's all good. And then the cool part, you know, you just calm down again, put it back in regular drive, and
Yeah.
just be big chilling. All right, we can turn around right here, I think. A little further. Yeah, right here's the turn. I'm gonna swing it, but there's a curb.
I don't want to swing into that shit.
I don't want to swing into that shit, no. We'll let those guys get a little bit more ahead of me because I'll be on them in 2 seconds. Beautiful day. Got a little water. Sheesh. Don't you love recording with the iPhone?
Fuck yeah, dude.
I love the
Shit's
iPhone.
crisp.
I'm just trying to learn the platform with iPhone, switching from GoPro right now.
Yeah.
So
What do you use to edit?
right now I'm using CapCut.
CapCut?
Yep.
Okay.
That's what I'm using on the iPhone.
Okay.
But on my computer with the GoPro, I use Filmora X.
Okay.
Alright, so now we're in sport suspension, AMG button. AMG button is hit, so put in AMG suspension, and the mode is Sport Plus. So gives us the best responsive
about that.
Yeah.
Is that dude with the NSX or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, I killed that dude. Fuck. Man, that's going uphill too.
Yeah, it has torque all the time. The problem is you don't know who's changing lanes.
I know. Damn. Yeah, this shit's fucking fast.
It's fun to take it on Sky Harbor when I put it on stock wheels.
Oh, hell yeah.
When I'm on stock wheels and I can hit a couple potholes,
Yeah.
I'll be flying.
Yeah, this thing fucking handles good, dude.
So engineered that like a regular person can get in this car and can ask, oh look, he's taking a picture of Mercedes.
It's an old school one.
Yeah. Nice. Was it old 2000 diesel or whatever?
Yeah. And the shit is, what could I say? It's confidence inspiring.
Definitely.
It definitely feels safe in the corners. It fucking inspires confidence. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning back in. And thanks for watching the video. Till the next time, stay late.
All right.
All right, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.